Of course, all the presentations that you saw today and heard will be posted to our website very soon for anybody to watch. They're going to be posted as YouTube videos. Each presentation will be separate. So that way, if you want to just listen to the Plan Wake or listen to the Lynn with Triangle Lake Conservancy, you can just click on those and be able to hear those. I want to give a big thank you to the Wake County Board of Commissioners for their support and dedication. 16 years now of keeping the farm workshop. They do care about us and soil and water, and they care about the farm and rural communities. I know they do. They get out with me and ride around and want to look at the issues that's going on. And without their support, they wouldn't, allow us to do this workshop and to give you the information and keep you educated as we try to do every year on what's going on, what changes are happening, and what we can do to help support you. Of course, also a big sincere thank you to the expert presenters. I will say expert because they're definitely an expert in their resource professions, and their presentations were outstanding today. And they provided you the information you needed for your farm and forest. It would not be possible without them. The collaboration that we have and that we've had a work group with Just Keeping the Farm for many years has been just absolutely wonderful to work with. And so they took their time out of their day and made these presentations to help you. And they also make this annual workshop that we have a great success. And so they want to, one thing I can say about all these presenters and Wake County agencies that are helping us with this, tax administration, planning, and the register of deeds are usually right on board with us, is that they do provide excellent customer service to the citizens of Wake County. And so if you have questions, we're here to help you and get those questions answered. I reach out to planning all the time and tax, and they're always quick to get back with me and say, this is what's going on. This is why. Explain it to me, and for me to help you, rural landowners and farmers, to understand what's going on in your property and how they can help you with the situation. And I want to thank again for all the participants. I don't know how many we had, but farm and forest landowners that attended this afternoon. You took the time out of your day as well to attend it, and I hope that you learned something from it. You got some resources to help, if not, at least some contacts. At least we're here, and that we have contact with all these resource professionals, and we're here to guide you and to assist you with whatever you need in the coming months and years with your farm and forest. We do plan on hosting the 17th annual Keeping the Farm workshop next spring in person. So that is our goal, and that's what we hope to do. If nothing changes, and we'll host that right here at the Wake County Office Park like we have in the past. So if we don't have any further comments or questions from the presenters or anyone in the audience that's watching, I wish everyone to have a wonderful and safe afternoon. So just let me know, Michaela.
I do not see any more questions, just a bunch of comments saying thank you for the information. Awesome. A lot of comments saying that they love the workshop. So getting awesome. A lot of thumbs up.
Yeah, and that's why it was important for us to do that this year. I mean, it is not ideal. I understand that, because you can't take away the face-to-face, the personal connections, the breakout sessions that we have in the afternoon, that you can actually talk to someone, face-to-face inside, personally, with something that you may be dealing with. But we're still here to do that. Like I said, just email us or call us. We can still provide that, and we hope to get back next year to do that. And of course, we all missed the wonderful lunch that was always provided, and the breakfast as well. So those are things we hope to get back with as well next year. But we knew how important it was to the landowners here in Wake County. I've heard this from all the surveys that I've gotten over the years, and we didn't want to skip a year. And so that's why we kind of improvised and got our presenters together, and so glad that they were willing to do this, and we look forward to doing it again next year as well. So thank you all, and thank you all for the wonderful comments.